Your cameras running. They are listening. Okay? Just keep your cameras running. I want to die in the hands of these police officers. Let me sit with you. You are police officer. I want to be near you. I'll release everybody. I'll release everybody. No, you're trying to kill us. Why you behave like criminals? You think you can kill all of us? My brother, you are a young man like me. You can even be younger than me. But what you're doing is evil. What you're doing is evil. Okay? It is going to go on your name and on your children's name. Okay? This is Mwesigwa on the phone, guys. That is Mwesigwa. That is Frank Mwesigwa on the phone. You are murderers. Let the world see your face. Show his face. No. I want them to see your face. No, my brother. You fear the truth. You fear justice. You fear the law. Have you released everybody? Now tell these people to remove their cars so we can go. Fine. Tell them now. Just say, no, pass there. Pass there to turn this back. Okay, let him pass. Okay, let's pass. We are ready to die for this country. We are dying for your children and even for you. I can't leave you because I know you are taking position to shoot me. No. You see, Mwesigwa is using you because he does not want his face to go on record. It is you that is being used to commit crime. I want to stand with you. Mubere is a bam. Mubere kam. Okay? Nabagame mbere kam bano kabazemu sango sagala mumenye mateka. Okay? Don't break the law. We have a responsibility to keep the law. Let them be the ones to break it. Let them bring that vehicle.
So why is your boss inside the car? Locked in the car?
Don't worry. He does not give orders. Understand this, brother. Okay? He is only being used.
Allow me. Yes, let's stay.
You make a call to release them? Mr. RPC. Can you cut off this people? The one you're taking position. The cameras are open. Do what you want. We are not going to fight you. Behave in any criminal manner you want. At least the world is watching you. Okay? The world, we have the law on our side. Okay? Mr. RPC, we have the law on our side.
Can you give me time and I decide?
You are not the judge. Okay? Commander. That is the regional police commander. They are all here. They will answer for this individually. Yes, sir. Individually. Yes, that is what the human rights law says. Okay? Yes, they are abusing their human rights. Okay? All these people are bound by the human rights law. And the human rights law says every police officer that abuses human rights will pay individually. They will answer individually. So don't be scared. Just cover them. Make sure you have them on record. Yes, sir. Okay? Don't be scared and don't be violent. Allow them to do as much violence as they want. Yes, the world is watching. We are the sacrifice. Yes. Okay? So don't be scared. Yes. Just behave calm. Just let them behave as criminal as they want. Just don't fear them. These are our servants.